Students and instructors can share work inside NoodleTools. For instructors, ask your students to create their own NoodleTools account and provide you with their personal ID. The personal ID is the student's username, not their password, and it is chosen by the student during account creation. Go to the Inboxes tab. Click the button for New Project Inbox. Fill in the form fields. Provide the name of your project inbox to your students. For students, go to the project dashboard and click on one of your projects. Scroll down to the Sharing and Collaboration section. Click the button to share with a project inbox. Enter the inbox name. Check the box if you have a Google Doc you also want to share, and click Done. Your instructor should now be able to access your project and provide feedback within NoodleTools.